Gently push back the proximal nail fold. Remove tissue and debris from the nail plate. Remove the free edge using a 180 grit emerald file. Lightly etch and remove the shine from the nail plate using a 180 grit emerald file. Remove the filing dust using a clean, dry nail wipe. Apply Dehydrate to the natural nail to cleanse, remove moisture, and balance the pH of the nail plate. Wipe the brush on the neck of the bottle to remove excess power bond. Sparingly apply 1 coat of power bond to the entire natural nail surface and allow to dry. Proceed with enhancement application. Remove the form from the paper backing. Place the center of the form on the back side of the form for reinforcement if desired. Gently hold the form with your index fingers and thumbs and roll the form to create a C-curve. Prepare the forms for application. If it does not fit tightly under the natural nail, cut the shape to match the natural nail's free edge. Apply the form to the finger, ensuring there are no gaps between the form and the natural nail. Make a 45-degree cut on both sides of the form at the meeting point of the form and the nail grooves. Match and stick the tabs together to ensure an even C-curve. Brush building gel in clear onto 1/3 of the nail plate and sculpt the extension to the desired length. Flash cure the nail for 10 seconds. Brush a thin layer of building gel clear over the entire nail surface. Do not cure. String a bead down the center of the nail and allow to self-level. Flash cure 10 seconds. Repeat if necessary to build proper structure and apex. Cure for 30 seconds. Remove the form and remove the inhibition layer from the nails using Cleanser Plus and a nail wipe. File and shape the nail with a 180 grit emerald file. Remove the dust with a clean, dry nail wipe. Apply IBD building gel top coat. Cure for 30 seconds. Cleanse with IBD Cleanser Plus. Moisturize the skin with IBD lavender cuticle oil.